when I talk to someone and they're saying, but I don't know how I got to stage 4. I just went 3 months to the doctor and they told me that I was at stage 2. How did I get to stage 4? One of the first things I asked them is, did you have a tumor? Yes. Did they biopsy it? Yes. That's how you got to stage 4. Some of you cannot handle a dietary problem, a nutritional problem, with surgery and with drugs. When you do, you get in trouble. You get in trouble. And it's not the doctor's fault. It is my fault because I'm trying to be nice, you all. I really don't want you all, you all don't know me well enough for me to really talk to you like I really would talk to you. So, I'm trying to be kind.
Just say it though.
But because we eat anything that looks pretty, smells good, whatever the case may be, and our tongue likes it, then we end up with these growths and all of these things, cysts, boils, tumors. They're all the same thing. And so we don't, how many of you all eat a raw salad every day? Okay, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 hands. All right. How many of you all, and I don't want to even go any less than that, but how many of you all eat enriched flour, something that is enriched flour every day? A taco, some bread, some white bread, some cookies, maybe a slice of pie or a slice of cake or anything like that. Now you eat that every day, but you don't eat salad every day. Raw foods have in it the enzymes that are needed to destroy the things that are in your body, to break them down. See those things that are in that tumor? The enzymes will go in and will just chop them to pieces. And the macrophage will take them out of the body. Now let me tell you how bad those enzymes are. Let's take a baby. At about, I'm going to say 7 to 9 weeks, the baby, you all have seen the pictures where the baby has webbed feet and hands, webbed feet and hands. All right. When the baby is born, does it have those webbed feet and hands? No. Where'd they go? Where'd that extra material go? It was eaten by something. You're absolutely right. It was eaten by protein-destroying enzymes. Enzymes. And so the enzymes, because of your DNA, and they follow the instructions of your DNA, they know that at whatever particular time, they're assigned to go in and remove all of that extra tissue that is in between the fingers of those hands and toes. Now, the 9 months, about what, 40 weeks? About 40 weeks, it takes your body to build, make, produce a baby. Correct? From what? 1 seed, from 1 sperm, 1 egg, right? How you get trillions of cells from 1 seed and 1 egg? They split over and over and over again. They do, yes. Mitosis. All right. What happens to all of that carrying ons, all of those enzymes, all of that building and all of that stuff? What happens to that after the baby is born? When the baby becomes a teenager, when the baby becomes in their 30s, 40s, 50s, what happens to all of that? What happened to the tissue destroying enzyme? Because you got a tumor. So the tissue destroying enzyme didn't go in there and destroy that.
Right. No.
So what happened?
You weren't getting the enzymes.
She just gave you the answer right there. You didn't have the enzymes to carry out the job. So who knows where the enzymes come from?
Food.
The vegetables.
You are born, those are borrowed enzymes that came from your
From your
mom.
mom.
Where do your enzymes come from? Where do you get them from?
The raw
Fruits and
vegetables.
vegetables.
Oh, but see, now, you people that have been in my workshops before, I
Is that about a-
She said it, actually.
that you only get them from raw vegetables. Huh? Maybe that's why you have conditions and things going on in your
Yep.
body, especially those things that have to do with high blood pressure, high cholesterol, high blood sugar. Because remember, all of that stuff has to be cleaned out of your bloodstream.
Mm-hmm.
Cleaned out of your bloodstream by enzymes. Enzymes that are only found in raw foods, which you do not eat.
Wow.
So you should have something raw daily,
Uh,
salad or something.
You should have 14 at least, no less than 14 raw fruits and vegetables a day. And that sounds like a lot, right?
Yep.
Okay, so let me tell you why it's not a lot. Because you need 3,000 enzymes to carry out 7,000 processes daily.
So what do you think of enzyme supplements?
Hold your,
Just
write
not
down your
say
question.
Yeah.
Write down your question, so you can ask it during the question and answer period. All right, so I don't know, did I take any questions and didn't?
Sorry.
Okay. So then, all of these things could just as easily, we're gonna start with the first stage of cancer. That first stage of cancer, and I do, this is working, so I can take you. You see that picture right over there? Now, we've already talked about the attachment, the break-in, the hijacking, the lysis, and the metastasis, right?
Wow.
Now you can see over here, you see level 1? And actually that level 1 is almost going into level 2 because there's a break-in there. But level 1, no it isn't. Level 1 is when they have broken into that cell membrane. And then you see level 2 where, and all the way down, there is that's all the way down to the
Wow.
subcutaneous level.
Level.
And can go all the way down into the bone. And so, those 4 stages, when we are talking about those 4 stages and all of that carries on and takes place, it could be prevented if only we had enzymes. Enzymes only come from raw fruits and vegetables. I'm going to say it again. Enzymes only come from raw fruits and vegetables. You need 3,000 to carry out 7,000 processes. When those processes stop functioning, then that means that you are becoming diseased. Wherever a process stops, that's a disorder in the body. And if you don't have the immune system is shut down, right? The immune system. Remember I said inactive? All right, your immune system is not functioning. Why is your immune system not functioning? 1 teaspoon of sugar would shut it down for 70 minutes. Who drinks a can of pop here every now and then?